Hi, welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed about initiating a project process. In this video, let us look at controlling a stage process. The purpose of controlling a stage process is to assign work to be done, monitor such work, deal with issues, report progress to project board and take corrective actions to ensure that the stage remains within the tolerance. The objectives of controlling a stage process is to ensure attention is focused on the delivery of the products, keep risks and issues under control, keep the business case under constant review, deliver the products for the stage to the agreed quality within agreed cost, time and achieve the defined benefits, deliver within the laid down tolerances. Controlling a stage boundary process is triggered to handle day-to-day management of the management stages. Usually comes after project board authorizes the project. Work packages are used to define and control work to be done. Day-to-day control of the stage by authorizing work to be done, monitoring and reviewing the work, reporting highlights, dealing with issues and risks, and taking corrective actions. Controlling a stage activities. The activities of controlling a stage process are authorizing work package, reviewing work package status, receive completed work packages, review the management stage status, report highlights, capture and examine issues and risks, escalate issues and risks, and take corrective actions. To summarize, in this video, we discuss the purpose, objective, context and activities of controlling a stage process. In the next video, let us look at managing product delivery process.